We're here to watch the partido, but of course, we all know my family is a little bit competitive, especially my dad.
Pero voy a ganarte, Gaby.
We're gonna be making Lay's antojitos, and of course, my dad turned this into competition, so I had to bring in my sister to be the taste test judge of the competition. And Ariana, I'm just saying, you better choose me as the winner. Just saying. All right, let's get started. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to start off with un antojito favorito since I was a child, Lay's salsa y limón. That is perfect. Super quick but delicious for a perfect game night.
¿Tú qué haces, papá?
Estoy preparando este delicioso hot dog enrollado con bacon con Lay's cheddar jalapeños porque Gaby cree que me va a ganar, pero no.
I grew up putting Lay's in my sandwich all my life, and today I wanted to spice it up a little with Lay's Flaming Hot.
Estoy preparando unos frijoles con chorizo para botanear con Lay's limón. Con esto la voy a noquear.
Okay, so who doesn't love carne asada nachos? I'm gonna be doing my own little twist with the Lay's cheddar jalapenos. This is gonna be a sure winner. No, todavía no.
Este es el fuego picante que me va a hacer ganar. Tinga chipotle con Lay's Flaming Hot.
Time's up. Now it's time for my favorite part, taste testing. Everything was so good. Fiery, tangy, cheesy, but I have to go with good competition, puppy. Let's go watch the game.